In this video, we will have a look at these two very similar looking TVs. I got them for $10 each. First one, this one is the branded DSE, which is Dick Smith Electronics. I got it as is, no AC adapter, no remote, nothing. And this one is a branded MEDION, which is the brand name that's sold by Aldi stores. I got this with the AC adapter, which is 12 volt 3 amps, user manual, and a remote control. The Dick Smith feels heavier than this one. This one feels cheaper. We still have the protective film. This one has a handle here, and this one, the handle is missing. I'm not sure originally it did come with the handle or not. The handle is very handy, you can carry it like that. The stand has a metal on the button. This Dick Smith, this one is just cheap plastic. Both have built-in DVD player. Look almost identical, as if they use the same mold. On this side we have the RF input for the antenna, and a full-size SD card slot, and this one is lower. This is the Dick Smith and this is the MEDION. USB, full-size RCA inputs for the composite input and output. There is a switch. You can turn it into input or output. And here we have separate headphone jack type input and output for AV. Headphone socket here. This one here. This one has a VGA. The MEDION doesn't have VGA. The switch looks exactly the same, and this one has a LED that says charge because it has built-in battery. You can charge it. And this one also has LED, and there is a symbol of a battery, which in theory it should be rechargeable, but nothing happened. It doesn't charge. This one, it does charge and it has power right now. As you can see, turn it on. LED is blue. You press it, it goes to standby and it becomes red. Front, this one has silver buttons, this one has plastic. Selector for analog TV, VGA and AV, digital TV and DVD, also USB and the card, volume, channel, interplay, pause and eject. This one, the first button is set up, unlike this one, so it's a little bit different. Here we have AV, TV, DVD, DVB, source, volume, etc, etc. Stereo speakers, you can see. Same with this one. And these are the information at the back for the DSE, and the same thing for the MEDION. Yeah, this one feels cheaper. So let's connect it to power. you connect the AC adapter, the LED does not light up, so it does not charge. It doesn't show you that it's charging. This has green LED. Press it. It's red, and it's very dim, and it's not a great illumination. So you can see the LED at the bottom. Doesn't illuminate the whole thing. That's the digital TV. There is no signal, of course. We can switch to the source. We have a remote. Easier. Anyways, we'll just leave it aside. Turn the other one on. So if you connect the AC adapter, the LED lights up. When it's green, it's fully charged. When it's red, it's charging. Now I'll show you that it's fully charged. Illumination on the LED here is much better. And I think this one does not have analog TV, it's only digital. I cannot find any option for analog TV, or even here it doesn't mention analog TV, so yeah, probably it's just digital. And let's switch to DVD. And this one as well. I don't have the remote, so I have to use my hand. This remote also controls this TV, but the buttons are all messed up, so they are not as what the label says. Let's see, power button, it selects channel, it selects 8 or something from the chapter 8, and the eject button here selects 5, so you see the buttons are messed up. So yeah, that's it, DVD working. Let's take them apart and see what's inside. This DVD here, it's struggling a little bit. Let's start with the Dick Smith Electronics TV. So that's a lot of screws. So this is the Dick Smith. There's a battery down there. The rechargeable battery. DVD mechanism, and this is the LCD. This one is broke from here. It was broken from the beginning. Holding the screen. Two big speakers. It looks nice. Okay, let's open the other one. Less screws too are missing. Also, these are self-tappers. While the Dick Smith was non-self-tappers, metal thread. Okay, it does have a battery, but looks like the battery is dead, so it's also rechargeable. So that's the two TVs side by side, Dick Smith, MEDION. As you can see, this is the main board. Looks very similar. The RF module is bigger here because it's analog and digital. This one's only digital, and this one has VGA. And the screens looks a bit different. This one has a big board here, and this one's all contained here, or maybe some of the components are here. Let me check the battery on this one. So that's the battery, which is 2500 milliamps hour, 7.4 volt, and it's puffy. I don't have any replacement right now, so I will probably get rid of this, resell it, and keep this one after I find the remote control for it, because I like the full size composite input, and I like that it has analog TV signal because I need it for testing stuff. This one, yeah, probably I will get get rid of it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and write a comment and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.